One of the greatest traits of Git is the ability to modify your commits before sharing them with the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can effortlessly amend commits, drop unneeded commits, and squash multiple commits. I'm going to be using SourceTree, which is a free software from Atlassian, available for Windows as well as Mac OS X. However, everything you see is possible from the Git console as well. Bringing in a repository to SourceTree is extremely simple. You can just grab your source repository folder, that is the folder containing the .git folder, and drop it into SourceTree. This adds a bookmark. Now double click it to open it. As you can see, SourceTree is showing you that we have one initial commit that we've shared with everyone, and it is on origin/master, and we have 4 commits that we haven't shared with anyone. Since we haven't shared these 4 commits with anyone, we can rewrite them any way we like. One of the simplest rewrites that you can do is an amend commit, which simply modifies the last commit you made. Let's say we want to modify commit D, we want to modify the contents of some file.js further, as well as modify the commit message, which is currently D. Now I've modified the contents of this file, changed the variable D to D1. If I go back to SourceTree, it will pick up on the changes. It shows that I have uncommitted changes. I'm going to commit these changes, and at this point I'm going to say that I want to amend the latest commit. This will allow me to modify the latest commit instead of creating a new one. I'm going to amend the commit message, and now you can see that the final commit has been amended. Now for anything more advanced, we will need to do an interactive rebase. Let's consider the simple scenario where we are unhappy with commit C and we want it removed from our commit log. You can enter the interactive rebase mode from the repository interactive rebase menu option. Now to drop a commit, I'm going to select it, mark it for deletion, and click OK. You can see that the commit C is gone. Another common interactive scenario is where we want to modify an earlier commit message. Let's say we want to modify the commit message for commit A. Again, I'm going to enter the interactive rebase mode from repository interactive rebase. Now to modify the message for commit A, I'm going to select it by double clicking. I'm going to type in a new message, click OK, and apply the rebase. You can see that the message for commit A has been modified. Another common scenario is when you want to modify the contents of a commit. Let's say we want variable A to be variable A1. Again, I'm going to enter the interactive rebase mode. I'm going to mark commit A for amendment and start the rebase. You can see that the rebase is paused at this stage to give us an opportunity to amend this commit. Now I'm going to open this file, modify it to be the way I want it. I'm going to save this file and go back to SourceTree. Similar to the way I did before, I'm going to commit these changes as an amendment to the latest commit, which is currently A. Now I will continue my rebase to apply all the other changes, and you can see that the commit A has been modified. Another common scenario is squashing together multiple commits into a single commit. For example, let's say we want to make these 2 changes a single commit. Again, I'm going to start the interactive rebase. Now to squash D with A, I'll simply drag and drop D onto A. At this point, I'd also like to modify the commit message. I'll simply call it A final and click OK. You can see that the 2 changes have been squashed into a single commit. Also, you can use the interactive rebase to reorder commits. Let's put B before A, and you can see that the commits have been reordered. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. You can leave your suggestions below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and as always, have a great day. My name is Bas. Thank you for watching.